This bass chicken has to be your dinner recipe for today's semi-final. Welcome to my food fusion for FIFA semi-finals. This is the fusion of France and Spain. Try this one. Bass chicken is a popular French and Spanish stew. It is itself is a fusion dish, which features standard chicken and a rich gravy or sauce of onion, bell pepper and tomatoes. It is visually very appealing chicken because of the colors. Alright, so season your chicken with salt and black pepper and stir fry in oil until golden brown. I use chicken breast, but you can simply use bone-in chicken. Remove the chicken from the pan and add garlic, onion and bell peppers. In a same pan, stir fry and add spices. All quantities are mentioned in the caption. Now add tomatoes and add some red chili flakes and put chicken pieces on top and add chicken stock. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on low flames. When gravy thickens, it's done. Serve with boiled rice and enjoy. For more fusion recipes, follow Swade Eats.